World Health Day was observed by the Region 6 Health Services last Saturday. Details from Narima Ali.
Saturday was observed as World Health Day 2018 under the theme Universal Health Coverage, Everyone, Everywhere. The Ministry of Public Health, via the Region 6 Health Services, held its annual World Health Day program at the Regional Health Department in Fort Kanji. Due to the unpredictable weather, which resulted in scattered showers of rainfall, the march, which usually commences at Philadelphia Street, along Main Street, and concludes at the Esplanade Park, was cancelled. The program saw the attendance of numerous personnel from the Region 6 Health Services, students of the Felix Austin Police Training Center, and other invitees. Delivering opening remarks to the gathering was the medical superintendent, Dr. Kirdar.
Guyana has been placed on a map for many reasons, I would say factors in the past. But I think as a middle income country, our health coverage throughout the past years has improved. Our environment in which we live in and which we should be sustaining every day determines our future health in the future. And I'm talking for our children, our grandchildren, and all of the above in the future. The health system today, I would say, would have improved from the past 5-10 years back. So the health soldiers, the guardians of the health system, for me, are the nurses, medics, doctors, and the soldiers behind the line that are pushing the system to continue to strive for universal health coverage. Health for everyone, everywhere, with all human rights intact and no discrimination.
The Region 6 Director of Health Services, Mr. Javon Stevens, in his address said,
"This year marks the 70th anniversary of World Health Day in the world. It was started by idea of WHO, who is the World Health Organization, and then adopted by PAHO and other stakeholders, and the Ministry of Public Health in most countries decide that we enjoy and observe on the 7th of April each year for World Health Day. It is important to note that on this day, we take time out to march, showcasing our banners, our posters, to indicate to residents where we are, our services, and how to access our services. Hence, we come out every day on the 7th of April to celebrate and observe. So that's why to do those things when you have the time. And give service. Our motto here is service above self. We think about ourselves last. We give service first. Happy World Health Day to one another."
The focal point coordinator, Ms. Alex Foster, made these closing remarks.
When the World Health Organization was launched some 70 years ago, it was for the purpose and it was built on the principle that all people should be able to recognize their rights to acquire the highest possible level of health care. And we said it well at the Williamsburg Health Center. There is a big slogan that goes like this: the health of the nation is the wealth of a nation. Every citizen of this country need to be healthy. I try to take care of my health on a daily basis, and if all of us do, then we will reduce the bill that we have in this country in the health sector, which is one of the largest that the government spends on a yearly basis. Health must be about prevention, taking care of ourselves. People come to our public facility because they do not have the ability to go anywhere else. Walking through our door, therefore, on a daily basis, are the poor of the poorest. And when a pensioner have to hold up her pension, which is less than $100 US, and have to decide to go and do a CT scan for $78,000 at a private facility. It means that she will have to maybe save 3 months of pension just to get a scan, only to be told by the doctor, we pick up nothing on the scan. So technically, the scan was in what? In vain. And 3 months of her pension out the window. Some of us sick, we jump on a plane and go overseas. The poor do not have the $100 sometimes to get to the nearest health facility. And when they do get there, we need to give them a service that they can walk out of that facility saying, God do not comes, but He sends. I thank you very much.
Prior to the program, several pamphlets and flyers were distributed to the gathering. As part of World Health celebrations, the Region 6 Health Services will be holding a medical outreach at the Felix Austin Police Training Center on Thursday, April 12th. The public is urged to make use of the services provided. Narima Ali, Channel 8 News.